Hello, it's Matt and welcome to Collaboration Coach. In this video, we're going to look at how we can use Outlook on the web to schedule to-do tasks and add them to the Outlook calendar. Recently, there have been some new integrations introduced between Outlook on the web and To-Do. This gives the web-based version of Outlook a slight advantage over the traditional Outlook app, so I thought we'd take a look. And at the end, we'll also take a look at how we can do the same thing with traditional Outlook. Another advantage with Outlook on the web is that you don't need the To-Do app or Outlook installed on the computer you're using. Everything could be done in the browser. To start, I'm going to open up Outlook on the web from the Office 365 homepage, and I'm going to switch to the calendar view. Then I'll hide the calendar on the left-hand side. On the far right-hand side, you can see there is the My Day button with this calendar and tick icon on it. So when you press it, the My Day panel drops down and you can see that it has a calendar view and a to-do view. The tasks you see here have been created in To-Do. I can view the task list and also switch to flagged emails and any other list that I have in To-Do. For example, in this case, I have a list called Project A. Switching between these options shows me the different tasks that I can now schedule. So if I switch to flagged emails, it will show me all the emails I've flagged in Outlook. And switching back to tasks, you can see some of them have due dates and some of them have been tagged as important with a star like this one. If I want to, I can add a task here too. I can move the task up and down the list and I can set it as important. A right click of the task will let me set a reminder and a due date. The thing I really like about this is that you can drag these tasks onto your calendar. So for example, where I have this schedule a meeting task with a due date of the 4th of March, I can drag it onto the calendar wherever I like and it becomes an appointment. Once that's done, I can edit the appointment and I can change its duration and I can even make it a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can do something similar in the Outlook app with the To-Do bar. When you're in the calendar view in Outlook, you can go View, To-Do bar and Tasks. And then from the taskbar on the right, you can drag the task into the calendar. So it's very similar functionality, but Outlook on the web seems to be that much slicker. So that's how you schedule your to-do tasks in Outlook and Outlook on the web. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.